What's going on, ladies and gents, and welcome back to another video. If you're new, my name is Lee, aka Rollin Thunder, and in today's video we are going to be talking about new cameras, new motovlogging gear, and what's going to happen in the future. So sit back, relax, grab a cup of tea, and let us get into the video. So ladies and gentlemen, how are we doing? I hope you're doing well. I hope the changeable weather in the UK, if that's where you are, isn't affecting you too much, and you are enjoying my 30-day video challenge. Pardon me. So the topic of today's video is motovlogging gear, whether I should upgrade, stick with what I've got, or try something completely different. As you guys know, I currently use the GoPro Hero 7 Black with the mic adapter, chin mount, and a cheap eBay or Amazon microphone. Don't ask me which one because I can't actually remember. So far everything's been working well. I've not had any issues, no glitches, no technical issues with the camera or the setup that I'm using right now. But with 2021 coming to a close, well, I say coming to a close, we're already in August, whether or not I should be looking at getting a new camera or sticking with what I have. As you guys may be aware, I opted not to upgrade from the 7 to the 8 or the 9 because I'm that happy with my Hero 7 Black. I just don't see the point in upgrading it just yet. However, with the news of the new GoPro Hero 10 coming out, options are always a good thing. I've seen a lot of people that motovlog using things like the Insta 360 and the 360R, whatever it's called. I've seen people using the Drift Ghost X and the Drift 4K. I've even seen people using things like the GoPro Hero 4. One case in point, Lanchops Rides, and he's had massive success with that camera, which, you know, good for him, do you know what I mean? But considering I've had such good fortune with the Hero 7, can I see myself upgrading to the Hero 10? I don't really know, but if I do, there are a couple of things that I'd like to see the Hero 10 have, which the 7 and the 8 and the 9 does not have, without the inclusion of, especially the 8 and 9, of the media mods. So one big thing that I'd love to see the Hero 10 have is a 3.5mm microphone jack, so that we don't have to keep fucking around with microphone adapters and media mods. I would also like to see the Hero 10 have an ultra wide lens, a bit like what the Hero 9 has that you can get as an add-on. I'd like to see the Hero 10 have the ultra wide lens as a standard feature. That would be nice if it did, but you know, only time will tell. As far as I'm aware, the Hero 10 is due for release at the end of September 2021 or the beginning of October 2021, to keep in line with the yearly camera releases that GoPro have done for the last couple of years, all the way back from the Hero 6, 7, 8 and 9. I'd also like to see the Hero 10 have, you know, a dedicated chin mount setup that you can buy either directly from GoPro or a third-party add-on. That would be amazing to see something like that happen. I know there are manufacturers out there like Chin Mounts, MOTOMOUNTS, Ridetech Moto, Motorads and so on, that have chin mounts you can buy as a third-party add-on, which is still good, do you know what I mean? It's always good to see other manufacturers getting involved with the action camera business. But like I said, it would be nice to see GoPro do their own, you know, dedicated chin mount kit that actually works with a lot of full face helmets like the Arais, like AGVs, like HJCs and so on. If they did something like that, that'd be absolutely amazing. It would also be nice to see a much greater battery life, because with the Hero 7 currently, with the settings I'm using 1080p at 30 frames per second with GoPro color image stabilization on, I think, if I remember rightly. It would be nice to see a bit more battery life, because currently my Hero 7, if I'm lucky, will do about an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours worth of footage, and then I'll need to charge it. It would be nice to not have to charge the camera every hour or every day, but you know, these are all things that I'm hoping will be addressed for the Hero 10. In terms of the microphone setup that I'm using, like I said, I'm already using I can't remember if it's an Amazon microphone or a eBay microphone, so please forgive me, I don't actually remember what one I'm using. Oh, excuse me. I know right now it's been working out pretty decently for me. So what I might do is I may just get another one of these particular microphones if I can find out where I got it from, because I don't bloody remember. And if the Hero 10 does have its own inbuilt 3.5mm jack, that will make life so much easier. Right now with the Hero 7, 8 and the 9, you can use the microphone adapter, which works out fine for the moment. However, I have heard people have issues with their mic adapters on newer GoPros like the 8 and the 9. For one reason or another, they've had connectivity issues. I don't know if that's just a couple of isolated incidents or whether it's a general thing. I really don't know. But what I do know is that if it came to me getting the 8 or the 9, I certainly would not be buying the medium mod, because I don't see the point of it. Because I'm not going to use the external microphone, I'm not really going to make use of the other features that the medium mod gives you. I'll be honest, if the Hero 10 has all those features that the medium mod had but built into the single unit, then great, you know, I'm all for that. I'm all over it, do you know what I mean? In terms of pricing for the Hero 10, I think we're going to be looking at around about £450 roughly. I know in America you look at about $449 or $499 US dollars. But like I said, please forgive me, these are just speculative prices right now. If the prices do come to light between now and the end of my 30-day challenge, I will do my best to let you guys know. But I suspect we're going to be looking at somewhere around maybe the £400 mark. Well, between £400 and £500 I'd say, at a guess. But like I said, I'm only speculating right now. So as well as the ultra wide lens, extended battery life and 3.5mm jack, what else do you think we could be looking at when it comes to the Hero 10? I think as well we're going to get hyper smooth 3.0 or even 4.0, to which case the footage is going to be uber smooth for you people that like ultra smooth footage, I being one of those said people. I'd love to be able to make my footage as smooth as my riding style should be, which it isn't, but you know, it is what it is. Are we going to get a nod? Yay, got a nod from a Fireblade owner. Well, simple things and all that. Look at this idiot's running in the road. Bastard, the fucking road's closed. Oh, do you know what? I'm going for it, fuck it. Let's be a rebel. Let's be a fucking rebel, eh? Let's have it, because I'm a fucking rebel, mate. Do you know what I mean? I'm joking, I'm not rebel. I'm just too fucking lazy to go the right way. Moving swiftly on. How is everyone enjoying my 30-day challenge? At this point, I should be about 2 weeks in. I hope my content hasn't offended anyone, because I know the first day that I did my first video, I think I upset one or two people with my, you know, straight up out there views on certain things. But the way I see it is, it's quite simply, if you don't like what I've got to say, you don't have to listen to it. Do you know what I mean? Do you think this guy on this bike in front of me is trying to get away from me for some reason? Oh, it's electric. No wonder why he's getting away from me. Oh no, wait, hang on. That's not electric. Sounded it though. That can't be electric, surely. It sounded it, but obviously it wasn't. Always makes me laugh when kids look at me when I've got my tinted visor on. He's still looking at me now. Bless him. I think it's a he. I'm not sure. I'm sorry if it's not. Oh dear Lord, what the fuck do you look like? I think Halloween want the decorations back, as well as looking at new camera setups for the old POV sort of situation. What other cameras would you guys recommend that I look at getting to improve the quality of my footage? Should I get a 360 camera? Should I get a bike only camera that sort of like sits inside the nose fairing, pointing forwards or pointing backwards? Should I look at getting a second or third camera to go, like I do sometimes, have a hero session on the front and one at the back maybe? Should I look at getting multiple 360 cameras? Again, taking inspiration from Lamb Chop's rides, because he has a 360 camera. If I'm not mistaken, it's the Insta 361R, I think. I might be wrong. I know it's an Insta something or another, and he has great success with that camera too. So could that be something that might be worthwhile me looking at some point in the future? If so, please feel free to let me know in the comments down below. And as always, ladies and gents, as I say in every video, thank you for the love, thank you for the support, thank you for the subscribers, thank you for the thumbs up and the comments. It's all greatly appreciated. What are you doing? Get the fuck away from me. Again, same shit, different day. Fucking learners. Do you really need to feel the need to get right up my arse? And I have got the most pathetic horn in the world. For a superbike with this much noise coming out of its arse, you'd think it'd have a better set of lungs than this, wouldn't you? Oh well. It is what it is. It's not ideal, but there you go. And I know I've said in the previous video that loud pipes save lives, and I still truly believe that. But if you've got a decent horn on your bike or scooter or whatever, that obviously helps as well. Not all the time, but sometimes. If I remember rightly, the decibel rating for these exhausts that I currently have on the bike, at 4,000 RPM, I think I was looking at something like 105, 108 decibels, which is obviously way too loud for track days, obviously, because you know I don't have any fucking luck like that. But I do think they offer the bike somewhat of a presence. Do you know what I mean? Not necessarily in a good way, because obviously it does make me more noticeable by police, but in the grand scheme of things, I don't mind that. Because even though technically they are too loud for street use, I'd rather have them be too loud and people notice me than be too loud and unseen and unheard. I'm one of these people that's I'm a very much a visual kind of person. I know that makes absolutely no fucking sense whatsoever, but I do work very visually, if that makes any sense. And if I can see something's wrong and I can rectify it, I will. But I am not, and I repeat this, I am not going to make my bike quiet just to appease people that think, oh no, it's too loud. Pardon me, it's too loud, it's obnoxious, it's this, it's that, it's keeping me up. I don't give a fuck. The way I see it is that my bike is loud and obnoxious for a reason. It's a race machine at the end of the day. You can't fucking turn around and tell someone in World Superbikes in MotoGP, oh, can you turn the noise down a little bit? No, you can't. And more to the point, why should they? At the end of the day, they're race-bred machines on a racetrack, which have slowly trickled down technology-wise and so on onto the streets. This bike that I'm currently sitting on was the base for Troy Bayliss's third World Superbike title. I know I've said this in a previous video, but I'm saying it again just to make a point. You cannot tell a race thoroughbred motorcycle to be quiet. You just can't. It doesn't work. It doesn't sound good. Plus it just makes you sound like a complete arsehole anyway, in my opinion. Admittedly, everyone is entitled to their own opinions, and I'm more than happy for you guys to share them. So if you have got an alternative opinion to loud exhausts and loud bikes in general, you know, please feel free to put it in the comments box down below. I'm more than happy to listen to your comments and have a listen and discuss it. Do you know what I mean? I am more than happy to do that. And this twat's jumped the lights. And also, ladies and gentlemen, if you have got any comments on any of the videos that have currently been published during my 30-day challenge, please feel free to again comment on the videos or comment on this video and let me know what video you enjoyed the most or the least, or where I could improve in certain aspects of my motovlogging. The way I'm going to look at this particular challenge is that all criticism is good criticism, whether it be positive or negative. It's all good in my opinion, and as long as you keep it polite, you can tell me exactly what you think of the videos, think of where I need to change, think of where I need to do things better, and so on. Because like I said, I'm more than happy to listen to your comments, take them on board, and try and make the future content better. But for now, ladies and gentlemen, you guys have been awesome. Thank you for sticking around and listening to me waffle on. Thank you for sticking around for the 30-day challenge. As always, if you've got any comments, please feel free to put them in the comments box down below, and I will do my best to answer them as quickly, honestly and politely as I can. But for now, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, you have been awesome. I have been Lee, aka Rollin Thunder. So for now, look after yourselves, look after each other, stay safe on the roads, be aware of COVID-19, be safe, be happy, look after each other, and as always, adios!